On 5 November 2021, a collision between a petrol fuel tanker and a lorry at a busy junction of Sierra Leone's capital and largest city, Freetown, resulted in an explosion and fire that killed at least 99 people and injured more than 100, overwhelming the city's medical services. Although Freetown has experienced similar disasters like this in recent years, such an event has been described as first of its kind in the densely populated city of about 1.2 million. This accident followed a number of similar high-casualty fuel tanker explosions across sub-Saharan Africa. Freetown is a port city which is the capital and largest city of Sierra Leone, with a population of more than 1.2 million people. The accident happened at a busy intersection in the Wellington area, Freetown's main industrial district. The intersection where the accident happened is popularly known as PMB, short for Sierra Leone Produce Marketing Board, a defunct peristatal with its old factory buildings located adjacent the intersection. At approximately 2200 hours GMT on 5 November 2021, a fuel tanker and an open lorry carrying heavy metal objects collided at a junction outside Choithram supermarket in the Freetown suburb of Wellington. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.